Just put salt on your stove burner, and you'll never have this problem again. This tip came from an experienced technician, and ever since I learned it, I've never had to scrub or waste money on expensive cleaning products again. Stay with me until the end, because when you see the result, you won't believe your eyes. First, grab a small pot, turn on the stove, and add about 200 milliliters of water. Not too much, just enough to boil. Now add 3 tablespoons of regular table salt, the same one you use for cooking. Stir gently and let that water start to boil. While that's heating up, let's prepare the most important part of this recipe. In a separate bowl, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This ingredient is essential because it breaks down old grease and helps neutralize all those burnt residues that get stuck on the metal surface. Next, pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. It's going to bubble a little. That's completely normal. In fact, that reaction is exactly what makes this solution so powerful. Vinegar acts as a natural degreaser. It dissolves stubborn grime and neutralizes bad smells that tend to build up around the burners. Now, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. I prefer using a clear one, but honestly, any type will work. Mix everything well until you get a foamy, uniform solution. When the salted water starts boiling, carefully pour it into the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. You'll notice a light foam forming. Just wait a few seconds for it to settle. Now, look at this part of the stove, the burners. Over time, they accumulate grease and turn dark, which even affects the color of the flame and makes your stove waste more gas. So remove all the burners and place them inside the hot mixture. Let them soak for a few minutes. That's when the magic happens. The solution starts releasing all that hardened grease that seemed impossible to remove. While it works, tell me something. How often do you clean your stove? Do you do it regularly or just when it starts to bother you? After a few minutes, remove the burners and take a look. You'll be shocked at the difference. All that burnt residue comes right off almost effortlessly. Now take a sponge, dip it in the solution, and gently scrub each piece. You'll see the grease disappear instantly. It's almost magical. The flame turns bright again, the metal shines, and your stove looks brand new. To finish, dry each piece well and reassemble everything. Look at that. Perfectly clean burners, no residue, and working like new. This simple technique saves time, money, and even gas. And the best part is that you can do it with ingredients you already have at home. Try it out, and let me know how it goes.